There are times that you may have to update due dates for enrollments, and those enrollments may belong to people in multiple user groups, or the due dates may vary in dates. So to do that, you can select the Reports tab, and then Training Reports, and then go to your course status report. You'll select both not attempted and incomplete, and you can choose to include course enrollments due greater than 90 days from today if that is applicable to your process. But the important thing is to make sure that you select the enrollment ID. We'll be using that to actually update the enrollments. So once you have all your report options set, you can decide if you need to run it against all users or include one or more users. You can select various date ranges from the options. You can do it by locations, job titles, departments, divisions, or projects, however you might need to. But once you have all of that defined out, or you can leave them all blank, you'll select Picker, and then you'll pick the course or courses that you need to update the due dates for. Once they are selected, you'll choose Export to CSV, and you want to open that CSV file. And then on your CSV file, you'll want to take the enrollment ID that is found in column AA, and you're going to transfer that over to column A. And then you can remove all of the data from column B all the way over to column R. And then from column C over to column K. Then you're going to want to insert a blank column between A and B. And then in column D, you're going to set the status for the enrollment, which will be not attempted. And then you'll set your due dates. They can all be the same date, or you can vary them. And then once you have all of your dates set, you'll save your CSV file. And then we'll go back to the LMS and import the CSV file. So now that the CSV file has been saved, we'll navigate back to the LMS. You'll select the Manage tab, and then underneath the Enrollments column, you want to come all the way to the bottom to Batch Update Enrollments. And you'll see that this is how we set the CSV. So you have our enrollment ID, the date completed is blank because they're all going to be not attempted enrollments. We've added the new due date and set the status to not attempted. Pass, fail, score, and expires on are not valid because they're all not attempted enrollments. So then we'll select Choose File. And you'll find the CSV file that you just saved and click Upload. And you'll get a successful message up at the top that should show you the number of enrollments that you just updated. It's an easy process, but if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, you can always reach out to me and I can walk you through it or do it for you. But this is how you can update multiple enrollments with varying due dates or multiple enrollments associated to different user groups very easily by using the enrollment ID number. So we hope this helps you navigate the Motive LMS a little bit more efficiently. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call.